Yo, what is going on, everyone, in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today, as usual. When we started out the day today, we had a sea of red over on CoinMarketCap, but now it seems like the market is turning around. So, guys, as you can tell by the title, this is a highly, highly speculative video. I am probably going to be wrong. A $2 burst probably isn't going to happen in the next few days. But I'm just saying that there is a chance. Like, I want to just kind of give you my scenario, show you what I am seeing on the charts, and that, my God, after, 1,100, 1,200 days after, like, since the XRP all-time high, like, we might literally be at the point in which we finally burst essentially back to all-time high. Getting to $1, $2 a coin is basically closing in on all-time high, and that could be happening in the next few days, next several days, maybe in the next week or two. Again, I'm probably going to be wrong. I am wrong a lot when it comes to predictions, but I just got to show you what I'm seeing on the charts here. I really think, it just makes sense right now with the current stage of the bull cycle and what all these other coins are doing, really moving sharply, but in the grand scheme of things, hasn't really gotten started yet on their full bull cycles. So, guys, next few days, next several days, it might be happening. Remember, we went from 20 cents to $3.50 in just 24 days. Okay, so we could be like the pump that's going to be the one could be in the next few days. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. First off, on the daily chart, note that we have this trend line right here, and not saying like this is not really like a triangle or anything. Well, actually, it kind of might be, but I'm not gonna be calling it a triangle for the sake of my little theory here. So that's kind of our level where, okay, once we're pushing up on that, once we're pushing up on 61, 62 cents, and we pop above that, we have a real chance to get into the 70s, 80s, 90s. We don't know what the selling pressure is going to be like there. If we do sell off hard, could be back here to the 60, and then maybe get back to previous high of like 90 cents, and finally get up into like the $2 region. So okay, so this is a resistance. So what is like the scenario for like the bulls? So let me go ahead and actually go full screen here. Apologies about that. Let me get rid of this side piece. I never use this on TradingView. I don't know why that's up. All right, so on the daily, remember how post SEC, the apocalyptic nightmare of 17 cents a coin right after being at 60. Remember this kind of like choppy consolidation action we had, right? See right here, went ahead, got its low, established a higher low, and then went for the burst, back to pre-SEC lawsuit prices. Right? So it's almost as if this right here is kind of being repeated right here with this low, which was the post pump group dump, another higher low, another higher low. And following all of these higher lows on the daily, we actually had a full-on market structure break right here. This is the 50-cent level, and as you can tell in the past, yeah, it's been resistance, it's been support right here, resistance here again. XRP market has a lot of trouble with these prices. What did we do? Yesterday on stream, we bursted all the way up to 55 cents, got into that territory, the sellers stepped in, but then the daily candle ends up being wicks both ways, indecision, small red, priming this daily candle here with 17 hours left to end up being a 3-bar play, which we could be seeing like 62, 63 cents. I'm thinking that this could actually happen tomorrow and then maybe propel finally reaching into the $1 to $3 price range. So notice how these candles have back tested this market structure that's been broken, rejected there. So I think we have a nice chance of being a 3-bar play here, right on the daily. So nothing but a pattern of just higher lows, breaking market structure, probably going to higher low again, and then we just got to take down this 56, 63, and then, like we pointed out earlier, we have the trend line, which we're going to attack at some point. So it seems like if we do get this 3-bar play, we are going to be attacking that trend line, and then that's going to be the critical moment right there. I'd say, since we've already been there like 5, 6, 7 times, theoretically speaking, more times you approach a resistance, weaker it gets. So, that's kind of it right now on the daily. The reason why I think this is like a pre-parabolic chart setup is because down at the 20-cent range, look what we used to do. Look what we used to do in the 20-cent range. Look what we started doing now in the 20-cent range. Getting very, very, very choppy. And then now we got these little higher lows going on here. Continues to break market structure. I swear to God, I'm going to wake up tomorrow and it's going to be at like 50, 60 cents. So, weekly candle just closed today. I mean, it looks pretty rocking. It's nice. It gets above this little spot right here. So it's just going to kind of have to be, okay, this week, what are we going to do on the weekly? Are we going to try to get above that level? We break that level. That is our ticket to like a little bursty to like $1.50, $2 a coin. And my God, I cannot wait for XRP to get back to all-time high. But I feel like it's kind of doing sort of a cup and handle in a way on the weekly. You got like, the cup. Oh, wait. We are doing lines. No, we need the drawing. Right, we got like the cup right here, and then the handle with the double bottom, by the way. On that handle, double bottom, what does the market do? Respects the hell out of that level, and then that's the handle right there. We go for the break, boom, $1, $2 a coin. Guys, we deserve this shit. As XRP holders, we have been waiting for so long. And, guys, here's a big theory I'm getting behind. And I'm just saying, like, dude, this bear market is fucking done. Kiss this thing goodbye. Old all-time high became new support. It was a support back here in 2018. You can even see the market here in 2019 at that level. Was, like, chopping around a lot, Very important level. Got rejected back here. But it ended up essentially dominating that level, getting the double bottom, followed with the 3-bar play. So this next weekly candle, I have all the confidence that this is just going to continue to just push higher. It's got to be happening. Old all-time high, new support. It's literally even valid on monthly, weekly, daily. Go to all time frames. Old all-time high is new support. Is this the true launch pad? What's the monthly doing? Forming into a 3-bar play. 9 days left. Guys, if we do have some serious upside volatility in the next few days, let's say like tomorrow we hit 60. Next day we're kind of playing around at 80. And then, before you know it, we'll be at like $1.50, $2 a coin. I know this video might seem like all hypey and stuff, but it's very speculative. But I'm telling you, it's been a long ass time since XRP has been up at $3 a coin. Guys, it's been like 1,155 days since all-time high. We are due for a sharp move right back to the upside, and we are going to crack a new all-time high for XRP, and I am at some point going to go ahead and sell like 10 to 15% of my bags to have some play money because I've been waiting so goddamn long for the next bull run. So I guess if you want to go ahead and look at some micros, like the 4-hour, for example, dude, just tight consolidation, higher lows, breaking structure, pulling back, higher low. I mean, it's just looking good. It really is looking good. Hourly, very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that support resistance flip right there. But then you got that, downtrending consolidation, which it looks like it might actually break out of right now. So guys, I'm really excited for the future. I think the XRP community is like it's the biggest it's ever been. We got the whole realist XRP movement going on. We're teaming up as a community on Twitter, trying to get that realist pump for XRP. We didn't really quite get a Coinbase pump because Coinbase like sandwiched it with a bunch of other coins getting listed, so the hype was kind of gone, and they did it super late. However, yeah, completely drew a blank there. But anyways, yeah, we're just looking for XRP to do an ADA here and get back to all-time high. And really, all these altcoins. See, Bitcoin has tripled previous all-time high, right? Bitcoin tripled it. So Bitcoin's kind of like, I feel like, has its first stage of the cycle, like, kind of done. But then all the altcoins here, they've gone like back to all-time high, right? They've gone like back to all-time high, but hasn't like severely broken it, if you know what I mean. Same with like, Ethereum, Cardano, and all that. So what we're really waiting for, actually, guys, what would be perfect timing, because it's just like, honestly, we have this really just weird formation going on here, and I'd like to say that we're repeating this. We're just doing it again up here. And I hope that's finally like, okay, burst time, because we just have this weird, like, okay, pump like crazy, dump like crazy, pump like crazy, pulling back high or low. So it's like, okay, dude, come on, just finally break that level. So guys, serious high XRP prices could be closer than you think. Old all-time high now confirmed as support. I don't want to jinx it, but notice how we haven't seen 20-cent XRP for a long time now. Yeah, guys, we are transitioning out of this boring-ass bear market. I mean, hey, the bear market's a blessing, though. Okay? You think your money's made in the bull market. It's really not. It's made in the bear market. It's accumulating, dollar cost averaging when those prices are in just bloody capitulation, people crying on social media territory. That is where the money's made. And we've done a lot of accumulation at 20 cents. But honestly, I think there is a chance from this day forward, XRP never sees the 20-cent range again. At some point, we're going to have a pump that leads to XRP never, ever seeing 20 cents again. Guys, thanks so much for the video today. I really appreciate it. Make sure you smash the like, subscribe, check the links in the description to support the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.